Alright, I got a couple people asking me the differences between the Sargent Greenleaf 826 padlocks. There's three major variants: the 826A, the 826C, and the 826D. The 826A has a taller 3/8 stainless steel shackle. C has a 1/2 inch shackle with 1 inch of clearance. There's a rare version of this that has a 3/8 stainless steel shackle as well, and the D also has the 1/2 inch shackle. The body size on the A and the C model are the same, width, height, everything. The D, however, is a little bit thicker. The A and the C are 2.5 inches wide by 1 5/8 inches deep. The D model is 2.5 inches wide but 1 27/32 deep. They all come apart in the same way. The A's and the C's are usually marked on the front, so that makes them easy to tell apart. But most of the D's were not. Sargent Greenleaf, Kentucky, US, 1982. But there's no model marking or anything. So the main way to tell them apart is just look at the body. It's thicker, it's rounder. That's what makes it easy to tell them apart.